Lift collection high-pressure roller sanitation. Lift collection truck is an efficient environmental sanitation vehicle that integrates higher functions of the road cleaning. Road cleaning and high-pressure cleaning. However, it provides sufficient vehicles operating sidewalks, environmental sanitation, garden and other departments floor tile centralized manual leaks and road manual cleaning work. From which is collection vehicle and the vehicle is equipped with the bottom suction cup and a handheld pressure washing mode. The vehicle adopts a heavy-duty three-wheel chassis with a compact body and legs. It is equipped with even if it is pressed to the floor tiles removal, manhole covers and other public facilities. It will not cause any damage. It is very suitable for central high-pressure cleaning electric, which is pollution-free, low-noise, high-pressure cleaning system in non-residential area. During it can completely replace the high-pressure cleaning vehicle and road maintenance vehicle with a single function. The flushing pressure can reach 250 kT. Form 3 electric sweeper, equipped with large brush and high-pressure suction cup, can quickly clean road dust, small stones and white garbage. The combination of vehicle spraying, cleaning and dust collection has good effect and high efficiency. It can be used for cleaning and cleaning of auxiliary roads, non-motorized lanes, back alleys, municipal parks, and property communities.